Voiceovers make videos more personal and engaging, and Capcut lets you record them directly inside the app. Open your project and tap the audio section. Now choose Record option. Press and hold the record button while speaking. Try recording in a quiet place for cleaner sound quality. After recording, you can trim the voice, increase volume, reduce noise, or add effects. If your voice sounds low, use the Enhance Voice option if available. You can also move the voice-over layer to match different parts of the video. Once finished, play the project once to check audio timing and then export your video.